Please put your hands together for the one and only Willy Brown and Woody.
What's up, Ronda Jam? Y'all doing all right? Y'all just celebrated Queen's Day, right? That's right. In Los Angeles, every day is Queen's Day. How you doing? How you doing? It's good to be here. It's good to be out of jail. I went to jail for something I believed in. I believe she was 14. I started messing with those schoolgirls. I was running out of candy. They kept building that fence high every year. I just celebrated 5 years alcohol-free. Thank you very much. You can clap like that. Yes. Now, if I could just leave that crack alone. Damn, you know. I love it over here in Holland. I mean, you guys are laid back. The police are laid back. Man, they got leather pants, earrings. That's like the fashion police. They're laid back. And we were in Amsterdam, and they had a bank robbery the other day. The police were out there like, you see that? Yes, I saw that. You think we should go after them? Tomorrow. In Holland, it's always tomorrow. By profession, ladies and gentlemen, I am a ventriloquist. That's a French word for gynecologist. Penicolo. Coming to the stage, the man that pays my bills, Mr. DJ. Get hyper. We put some music together for my partner. Put your hands together for my man, Willy. Give it up. Hey, what's up?
Your hand in my ass, that's what's up. You don't ask, you just stick it in there, whoop, there it is. You're nasty. I hope you get doodle under your fingernails. You're nasty.
What were you doing in the suitcase?
Waiting to exhale. What the hell you think I was doing in the suitcase? Forget Willy, free Woody, you know what I'm saying?
Do you know where we are?
We getting paid?
Yeah.
I don't give a damn. I'm staying. You keep making me talk, I'll keep acting like I'm talking. All I know, they better have my money, that's all I know.
And what if they don't?
I'm gonna turn into Chucky on their ass. It's all wood. It's all wood.
So you like it over here in Holland?
Yeah, man, I like it. I know they got a lot of old people in Holland over in Amsterdam, Rotterdam.
A lot of old people.
Uh-huh.
What do they do?
Fuck up the traffic. I see them out there doing 10 kilometers in a 70-kilometer zone, stopping on green, going on red, giving left turn signal, turning right. My grandmama is 80 years old.
What?
Yep, she walks a mile per day.
You kidding?
She been walking a mile a day for the last 30 days. And now,
yeah,
we don't know where the fuck she is. Y'all seen our grandma send her home, because we hungry. She got that disease, Willy.
What disease?
Old-timers.
You mean Alzheimer's?
That too. Take 2 hours to get her dressed in the morning. Grandma, here's your blouse. That's not 9. Oh, here we go. Grandma, here's your shoes. That's not 9. Grandma, these are your fucking shoes. You gotta put them on. She likes when I talk to her like that. That's the only thing she seems to understand. Grandma, here's your sweater. That's not 9.
So what's she doing now?
Wearing all granddaddy shit. What you think she's doing?
See?
What?
You keep talking about her,
Huh?
you're going to end up with the same disease.
Yeah, probably. But at least 9's going to be in reverse.
What?
I'm going to be in the mall talking about, that's 9. 9. That's 9. That's 9. That's 9. That's 9.
You got some beautiful women here?
Yeah, how y'all doing? Hey, you gonna make a dummy walk tonight. Ooh, I see you. Nice legs, too. What time do they open?
Telephone. Let me see who this is.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, what up?
Hey, what's happening?
Yeah, what up?
Woody?
Tell him I'm not here, man.
Woody said he's not here.
Player, hater.
When you talk to him,
Hello?
Yeah, Woody.
Huh?
Lend me $20.
I can't hear you. You need to try the other ear or something.
well, try the other ear then.
Who is this?
I don't know, talk to him.
Yeah, Woody.
Huh?
Lend me $50.
I know I can't hear you now. You need to go back to the $20 ear.
That's my time. You guys have been a wonderful time.